Welcome to Creepy Corner, your destination for bone-chilling tales of horror. But before we jump into these terrifying encounters, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more horror videos like these. These creepy video clips featured in this video have been sourced from the internet. We value your opinions, so feel free to share them in the comments section below. This video features Crystal and Damien, who are living happily in their dream home. They purchased the house a few months ago and have since become engaged. For the couple, their home has become an integral part of their relationship as it has strengthened their bond. They feel uneasy about their home due to unexplainable events that occur. To document these occurrences, they have placed cameras throughout their house to capture video evidence.
Because they're but they like you a lot.
They're acting rude to me.
They're not trying. That's just how they. Hey.
After experiencing several eerie incidents, such as plates falling from cabinets and doors closing on their own, they no longer feel at ease living in their house.